Hey, what's up guys? So I'm back. Sorry about yesterday and stuff. What happened is that, I think this is what happened, is that yesterday I was, when I was cleaning this up and everything with gas and stuff, this is before I turned on the video and everything to record this, I cleaned up the engine stuff and I probably sucked in a bunch of gas or anything, and I probably like really extremely lightheaded and I just didn't feel too good. So but I feel better now and ready to get back on track with this thing. Okay, so what I've done is I put the muffler on and I put the recoil on here, so I have some way of go ahead and pulling this over. And here's the ignition coil, but so far no carburetor, and we just have this. That's all we have here, this right here. Okay, so what I want to do and everything is go ahead and put a little bit of gas in here, and then go ahead and see if I can get it to start and run for a while. I think the best thing for me is to go ahead is to close all this off. I'm going to add a couple of these screws in here. The reason why I want to do this because I don't want to have to hold this, because I'm afraid this might hurt my hand and stuff. So, you know, put a couple in here. Okay, I think that should do from getting my hand really hurt or anything like that. Go like that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add a tiny bit of gas on here. This is just basically a gas with a two-stroke oil added in. Not too much. Okay, there we go. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna see if I can start this here. All right. Okay, well, should run. Okay. Maybe it needs more gas. I don't know. Ah. Okay, so I'm just putting in a couple ounces, not too much. Maybe 1 or 2 ounces. I'm not really putting in a whole bunch. And I go ahead and open the valve so you go in pretty much. Nice. Ah, shit. Ah. Man. Okay. That's good enough for me. And you can see that it ran. I'm sure you can see that it ran. So basically what I'm going to do now and everything, I'm going to go ahead and just put it together. But to save you guys from being bored, completely bored and stuff, I'm going to go ahead and just cut this for now. Put this together. I'm going to get it all put together. I'm going to turn on the video again so you guys see how it looks like running. So I'll get back to you guys in a couple minutes.